Where is the ball? The ball is under the table. Where is the cake? The cake is on the table. Where is the cat? The cat is beside the table. These are known as prepositions. Prepositions are words used before nouns and pronouns to show place and time. Let's have a look at some examples. Humpty Dumpty is sitting on the wall. The cow jumps over the moon. Can you find the prepositions? That's right. The word on and over are prepositions. It was snowing in the morning. We buy sweets from that shop. Can you find the prepositions? That's right. The word in and from are prepositions. Let's look at more examples. We go to school. It is hot at noon. Can you find the prepositions? That's right. The word to and at are prepositions. The cat is on the mat. The rocket goes up the sky. Can you find the prepositions? That's right. The word on and up are prepositions. Let's read together. On, at, from, in, up, over, to, near, with, beside, across, below, above, under, behind. These are all prepositions. Do you know more prepositions? Now let's fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. There is a fly, my soup. A in, B on. That's right. The correct answer is in. There is a fly in my soup. We were playing soccer, our cousins. A at, B with. The correct answer is with. We were playing soccer with our cousins. I am going to the cinema, my brother. A with, B to. Answer is with. I am going to the cinema with my brother. The dog is chasing the cat, the room. A over, B across. That's right. The answer is across. The dog is chasing the cat across the room. The bottle is made plastic. A in, B off. The answer is off. The bottle is made of plastic. The artist is drawing a picture, me. A off, B to. The answer is off. The artist is drawing a picture of me. Mr. Tan hides his keys, his shoes. A on, B in. The answer is in. Mr. Tan hides his keys in his shoes. I like to write a pencil. A at, B with. That's right. The answer is with. I like to write with a pencil. father is resting. Home. A. At. B. In. The answer is at. Father is resting at home. You can cut the apples. A knife. A. With. B. In. The answer is with. You can cut the apples with a knife. Please do not laugh me. A. To. B. At. The correct answer is at. Please do not laugh at me. It's your turn to answer some more questions. Write down the questions. Choose the best answer. The answers will be shown at the end. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's check your answers. Good job, everyone. Well done.